My typical week is very busy. I divide on workdays and on weekends. First, on my workdays, I usually get at 8 o'clock, take a shower, have breakfast, and go to the university. Then, I often have lunch at home in the morning. I go to work in a law firm from 1 o'clock to 6 o'clock. I enjoy my job because I always learn new things. In the afternoons, I usually go to the university. Also, I usually plan for my next week. On weekends, I sometimes go to a ride to Baños del Inca with my friends, and in the afternoons, I go to the pool. After that, we go to the La Chola restaurant and eat alitas a la barbecue on Sundays. I often go with my family by car to Yacanora and eat delicious food there. Finally, I always try to learn new things. My typical week is important for my life because I have to organize my time, grow as a person, and do several activities and spend quality time with my family.